Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Darlington to Lena, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Broadhead, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Dayton, Browntown, Judah, and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.